Hello everyone, this is President Parrish Black of the Inner City Crusaders. Parrish Black, known as Parrish the Prophet, and Parrish Black, the Man of God. Today is December 30th, 2011, time 1:10 p.m., a Friday afternoon. This quick video is about airplanes falling out of the sky. The reason why I'm making this video is because some days ago I came across a fellow YouTuber video, and this person placed a video on YouTube about airplanes falling all over the world. And when I saw his video, I remember that I had made a video of my own about airplanes falling out of the sky. As you see here, this is the video I made about airplanes falling out of the sky, and this is titled Parrish Dreams Drawing Part 8 about airplanes. As you see here, I have plenty of drawings that show airplanes falling out of the sky. My theory why I dreamt about airplanes falling out of the sky is this. I believe that the sun has a great deal to do with forcing planes out of the sky, because the sun is known to eject CME, coronal mass ejections, and when the sun does do this, it more or less scrambles the electronics in the airplane cockpit, and more or less shut the planes down, and the plane just lose control and fall out of the sky. As you see, there's plenty of drawings. Planes is falling out of the sky and doing weird things. I've been having dreams about planes falling out of the sky, and these dreams are in Parrish Prophecy 1 through Parrish's Prophecy 5. Ton of dreams and tons of dream drawings. So let me show you this guy video. Okay, the fellow YouTuber name is 2010 Countdown. And he uploaded his video December 15, 2011.
We just have a massive comet coming in. We got birds committing suicide. Got apples dropping from the sky. And guess what? We got else things coming down from the sky. And a lot of it. Especially in North America. And this is not stuff you hear on the news. And at some point, it will start up. And it did. And this is how it looks. Pretty much. And this is worldwide. 46 plane crashes in the United States today. And the rest over here. That means 46, 48, 51, 53, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, that means 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 70, 71 I count airplane crashes alone today.
Okay. So, there you have it. I believe this is another sign to Parrish coming fulfillment. So a lot of stuff is going to take place in our near future. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video, and everyone be good to yourselves. Take care.